Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time there. Okay, I apologize. I couldn't record it live when I was working on the problem because it will take like 5 hours with some breaks. Like I could do it for 1 hour, then go for a short break, go out for groceries, then come back, like, work on it again. So I couldn't make it live. As it will take like 5 hours, which is close to impossible. Okay, let's go towards the problem direct. At first, I never recognized what the data set is about, so I was just lost in the jungle. I had to find myself, I had to find what the data set was about. But after, if you check here, I was talking to the AI. Okay, another project could use the cloud or the Copilot because of the billing issues, so I opted for the GPO pool. So what did the prompt that I gave the AI first, this GPT-4? I just declared the solution and the data set that I have. Okay, it broke down the problem from that. This was just a general breakdown. It didn't describe the problem, what was the problem exactly. So what I went forward, I asked it to suggest within the prompt. I asked it to suggest the project directory, how the directory structures should look like, and this was what is was suggested initially. And if you check my project directory here, almost looks exactly like it, but I have removed some files, changed some things along the way. Okay, as usual, when I start working, I initiate a GitHub repo just because I always work with two machines, with two computers. So when I'm at home, I work with my desktop, and when I go out, sometimes I use my laptop. So I must create a GitHub repo, but the repo is private, so no code is public here. And if you are willing for me to add you as a contributor, I'm willing to do so. Or if willing me to put the repo down to the archives, I'm willing to do so. This is just for me because I use multiple computers sometimes. Okay, I like using my desktop, but when I go out, I use my laptop. Okay, fine. Uh, this was just the breakdown after mapping out what the task really look like. It involved data loading and initial exploration, which you can say that from 1 to 3, it was just exploratory data analysis. Then was to compute the metrics, then to optimize the threshold, and finally to do the error analysis and recommendation. Okay, I didn't go into reporting. Okay, now it gave me the starter code for data analysis, external data analysis, the data code, the starter code. Okay, first I use notebook as my playground, so I will I will open a Jupyter notebook and show you what the Jupyter notebook is about. Okay, just a second. Okay, okay, fine. This is the Jupyter notebook. I started with the data exploration. I loaded the data into the Jupyter notebook. Then I went ahead to explore the data as usual during the past hours. Let's do exploration, finding the map. Okay, went on to some cleaning, like you see here.